Every single day of our lives, we are selling something. Sometimes it is tangible product and sometimes it is the intangible. But whatever it is the lifeblood of an organization. This training program and this seminar is all about putting the human element into sales. Too often, we become mechanical. In an effort to bring in the money, we forget that we are dealing with people. And people only deal with people that they like. So this particular program helps the participants to understand that they make up the most important link in the sales process. From the first contact to the time that someone says yes. Is it important for us to be able to gain their trust? That is the question I'm going to be asking every single participant in the course today and explaining to them what selling is all about.